So I just got new taillights for the Tacoma, and I've been looking at the AlphaRex LUXX series taillights for a while now. I was originally planning on getting the red, but I ended up opting for the black ones after I saw an image of Tacoma with the black taillights on the Topper 10 website. Yeah, so I thought it looked sick, so I got the black ones, not to be confused with like the Alpha black ones. I think the difference between the two is the black has a tinted lens, whereas the Alpha black has a clear lens. Yeah, so I didn't see too many videos of the regular black version of these taillights, and so I hope this video helps give you an idea of like how they look. All right, so I just got the first taillight installed, and it's looking pretty good. Let me show you all here. This is what it looks like on the white Taco. I'll grab the old taillight. So this is what I had before, and you know, the old one was not bad, but I just really like the way the LUXX looks here compared to the OEM. I think the main thing I didn't like about the OEM was really the chrome. But yeah, like the old ones were right, but these new ones looks much better. All right, I'm gonna quickly set up the other light, and then I'll give you guys like show you guys all the sort of animations and features of the lights. I'm pretty happy with how the install turned out for these lights. I've had them on for a few days now, and I've got to say, like, looking more at like these, like at the sort of white lighting feature here on the light, kind of reminds me a lot of sort of those aftermarket lights you'll see in the JDM car scene. If I had Volks Racing or Ray's Gramlight rims on the truck, oh man, this would hit so hard. So we're at the end of this video. Yeah, thank you guys so much if you stuck around till the end here. I really appreciate it. I think these new taillights turned out so good. I kid you not, I've been locking and unlocking my car constantly just to see the sequential turn signals turn on. I'm so happy about how they turned out. Okay, future Noah here, taking over. In the video, I kind of ramble on for quite a bit. I don't really know how to end this video, so I'll just end it off here. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.